This is the chassis fully wired and ready to go. This lead connects directly to the dashboard. It is the radiator fan. This power switch is for the battery that powers the receiver and the servos in the model. And of course, that's how we charge it. This lead is for the servos that control the flip bucket lights. This plug rests inside the firewall and receives the connection from the body harness. This harness comes back and leads here to this switch. And this switch controls the power to the brake lights. And you'll see here, cable for the throttle leads all the way back up to the front, of course, to here. This is the battery for the glow driver system. This is the receiver, the glow driver itself. Inside here, 2 batteries that power the model. And you'll see the second switch here and the charge lead here. The second light here actually controls all or powers all the LEDs in the model. So here you'll find the fuel line. It runs alongside, back up to the front. This is a water line. And it gets to the front here. The fuel line goes all the way up to the carburetor here, of course. And outside, coming outside of this, you'll see a red LED. This tells you that the glow driver's on. Here's the charge port for that battery, for the LED, for the glow system rather. You see a couple leads here, the servos tucked nicely and neatly into the side rails of the chassis. And lastly, you'll see this lead. This is for the starter motor, and it gets connected to the ignition harness for the model. That's it.